Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of this 17mm Dashcam Pro and also the installation into a MyVi. 17mm Dashcam Pro does not come with this GPS module, it's sold separately. And also it doesn't come with a SD card, so make sure you buy the SD card as well, right? So let me open it up. Wow, nice. So this is the dash cam, and then this is where the module is going to be placed later. Right, this is how it looks like. Then it comes with the alright, this is the holder, I guess. This is the holder. And then the anti-static sticker. What's that? Oh, this is the wire. Sponger. Oh, this is for installation purpose. And then, oh, this is the USB adapter charger. I think 10 watt 1 amp 10 watt 1 amp adapter. This output is a 10 amp version, 5 watt 2.4 amp. I think the orange color one is 2.4 amp power adapter. Then this it comes with the sticker, and then this is the module, I guess. So I think this goes into here. Yeah, slide into here, and then remove this sticker and stick it onto the car. Alright, so this is GPS module. This is where the SD card in place. I make sure it's a U3 version. It was meant for 4K video. I will need to insert it. I think this way. We'll push it in. Right, and then I'll bring this cable clip with me. Let's go. So what I did just now was actually to lay the cover. You can just pull it slightly, it's flexible, and then you push it inside the wire. So here, what you can do is you can actually pull this panel out. You may use the spudger, the tool given earlier, to actually pry open the cap easily. Okay, and then you pull it out. See, there's this notch here. Just push it in backwards, push it aside, stick it somewhere here. Alright, so that the wire can be attached here. Push it into this hole there. I'm sure give it a better angle. This hole down there, if I go underneath, there's a wire coming down from that hole. To do this, to pull it down. I hope it won't give you any sound, weird sound. So it's good to use those wire clip given. Right, so I have installed one clip here, another clip here, the last clip here. Next, I would install it back into position. This is a notch, okay? The first one goes into here, and then this notch go down there. First, push it in, and then push it back into position. And the rubber is out. Right? Done. It's all hidden. Use the orange color one. Most of the wire inside, I'll push it in there, and then this thing will push it inside. First time starting up my dash cam, I would actually first connect the USB, followed by the micro USB up there, and then I would actually remove the protective sheet and wait for it to start. If this is your first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to my channel, press on the bell button to get notified of my new video, and push a thumbs up. Bye.